Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So I'll be showing you how I crafted this headband using a velvet material. So the materials I use are velvet, wooden and crystal beads. Then I have my pin. So the first measurement I'll be using is length of 26 inches and the wideness of 6 inches. Okay, so I'm going to be folding my fabric, after which I will pin it and then take it to the sewing machine and sew it. You can use any stretchy fabric of your choice, but here I'm using the velvet material, so I'm going to stitch. Okay, and for my cloth wadding is exactly the same measurements as the velvet. So I'm going to turn it over. This is after stitching, and then I'll pass the wadding inside. This is simply to add extra thickness to the fabric. Okay, so I'm going to add the wadding, pass it inside to make it a bit firm. Okay. Remember that the wadding will be exactly the same measurement, length of 26 inches and wideness of 6 inches. So this little piece of velvet, which is length of 7 inches and wideness of 5 inches, will be for the center of this headband. That place I placed my bead. So I'm going to sew and turn it over. Sew it by the length, which is the length of 7 inches, and I'm going to fold it again and sew. Please, if you are new to this channel, welcome and thanks for joining. So now that I've sewn it, I'm going to find the midpoint of my headband. Then I'm going to pass that till it gets to the midpoint of the headband. Okay. I'm going to pass it till it gets to the midpoint of the headband, and okay, at this point I'm going to fold this and mark my head circumference and sew. Can you see that? So what is left now is to attach my beads. And please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. So you can, at this point, you can actually use any article of your choice, but for this I decided to use the crystal beads to just tie that particular place. You can embellish it in any form or with any design of your choice. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial.